Welcome to our ultimate burger bucket list. We're about to embark on a culinary crusade to patty perfection. Forget those sad, soggy excuses for burgers you've been choking down. Today, we're taking you on a mouth-watering journey to discover the best burgers around the world. From the classic American cheeseburger to exotic creations with toppings you wouldn't believe, we're leaving no patty unturned. So grab a napkin, maybe two, because things are about to get messy. First up, the Shake Shack Classic Cheeseburger. This isn't some amateur hour burger. This is a masterpiece of minimalist cooking. We're talking 100% Angus beef, smashed thin and crispy on the edges, creating a beautiful crust that seals in all those delicious juices. Then comes the cheese, a blanket of melted American perfection, draped over that juicy patty like a warm embrace. And let's not forget the Shack sauce, their signature blend of creamy, tangy goodness. The soft potato bun, perfectly toasted, cradles this symphony of flavors, providing a pillowy foundation for each and every bite. It's the perfect balance of textures and tastes, a harmonious blend of simple ingredients that creates an unforgettable burger experience. Next up, we're heading to Minetta Tavern for their legendary Black Label burger. We're talking dry-aged beef, the kind that melts in your mouth like butter. Each bite an explosion of rich, beefy goodness. The caramelized onions, slow cooked to perfection, add a touch of sweetness and depth, complementing the savory beef with a touch of caramelized magic. The brioche bun, soft and buttery, provides the perfect foundation for this culinary masterpiece. This isn't just a burger, it's an experience. So if you're a true carnivore, this is the burger for you. Now let's head down under for the Aussie burger with the Lot from Burger Project. We're talking a juicy beef patty, cooked to perfection, topped with a symphony of flavors that'll blow your mind. Beetroot, a vibrant slice of earthy sweetness, adds a unique touch that sets this burger apart. Then comes the pineapple, a tangy burst of tropical sunshine that cuts through the richness of the beef. A fried egg, its golden yolk oozing over the patty, adds a touch of richness and decadence. This isn't just a burger, it's an experience. Prepare for an umami explosion with Umami Burger's signature creation. We're talking a perfectly cooked patty, infused with umami-rich ingredients that create a symphony of savory goodness. The umami ketchup, a special blend of savory and sweet, adds a depth of flavor that takes this burger to the next level. The Parmesan crisp, a delicate wafer of cheesy goodness, adds a touch of crunch and saltiness that perfectly complements the juicy patty. The roasted tomato, slow cooked to perfection, adds a touch of sweetness and acidity that cuts through the richness of the beef. This isn't just a burger, it's an experience. Finally, we arrive at the West Coast legend, the In-N-Out Double-Double. We're talking two juicy patties, cooked to perfection, each one a testament to the power of fresh, simple ingredients. The melted cheese, a blanket of American perfection, drapes over the patties like a warm embrace. The crisp lettuce, fresh tomato, and thinly sliced onion add a touch of freshness and crunch. The spread, a secret blend of creamy, tangy goodness, is the finishing touch that elevates this burger to legendary status. The soft bun, perfectly toasted, cradles this West Coast classic in a warm embrace. This isn't just a burger, it's an experience. There you have it, the best burgers you need to try at least once in your life. From classic cheeseburgers to gourmet creations, we've explored the world of patties and buns. Which one are you craving right now? Let us know in the comments below. Because let's face it, there's always room for another burger in our lives. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content. Until then, happy eating.